Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sunny Bermuda. It's time to put down some pre-emergent. And I've chosen the Andersons product. I'll be using Lift Dimension, herbicide 007. Active ingredients, the thiopyr. Recommended application use rates. We're in the south. We're going to use this as a pre-emergence. If I go with the 8.4, and I have I believe it's equivalent to a, let's go. So we'll probably go to we'll do the medium to low rate. So 20, we 16 to 20, probably do a 20, or back it down to a 19, maybe 18. Since this is a half rate application. I've got 3 bags. So 40 pounds, that's 100. No, 50 pound bags, that's 150 pounds total for 3 bags. Okay, 50 pound at the medium rate covers 9,000 square feet. And we have roughly 27,000 square feet. So we should hit it right on the mark and be finished, putting it down at the medium rate at 5.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So that would be right here, number 20. So let's go look at our spreader. Yeah, here we go. Not sure if you can see this. There we go. Set this. Probably set it about, I think go with 18. Just have a little left over. And I'm using the Impro Professional Series spreader. Go ahead and put this up so I don't forget. It's got pneumatic tires. It's got grease fittings right here and right here. Tires are pumped up. It's a fairly new machine. So let's load them up. We want to double check our spreader first to make sure. Make sure the hopper's closed. Let's see. Have this open, since I'll have the deflector up. This is a 100-pound spreader, so I should be able to put 2 bags in it, but I'm just going to put 1 bag in it for now. Just get a little close up here. Always wear your gloves when handling material like this. Any type of chemicals, or your rubber gloves on. All right, let's get started.
One other note, I just put a 50 pound bag of fertilizer in here, or pre-emergent. Always refer to your little yard diagram that we made a few videos back. Okay, this should cover, I believe it said 9,000 square feet. So if we look here, I just did areas A and B. So if we add up these two sections, A and B, the ones I just put fertilizer down, let's see, 68, 48 plus 1665 equals 8,500 square feet. So that leaves me enough to do this small section over here, D, which would total out to plus 594, right at 9,100. So that'd be perfect for one bag, A, B, and D. And then if we still have some left over, we want to make sure it covers the entire area evenly. I've got a little less than half. I believe it's up here. You can see the line when I put it in. So I dialed it back to 12 to finish. I went this way on the first pass at 18, or was it 16? Yeah, 16. And then this time I dialed it down to 12 so that I have enough to run this way and get full coverage with this amount of product for 9,000 square feet. We just finished the first 50 pound bag on 9,000 square feet, front yard here. As you can see, well, I'll do a walkthrough of my whole yard. Haven't done that yet. You can see the wash lines, as BYD calls it on Bermuda Grass Central. And I do have some POA. You can probably see it out there. It's turning yellow. I did treat it with some image a few weeks ago, actually about 5 weeks ago. So it's slowly yellowing and dying out, and a few broadleaf weeds there that are slowly wilting. I put a little 2,4-D, a light coating of 2,4-D on. On to the next bag. Let's go take another look at our thing, at our yard map. So we got section E and F. Let's see, E and F, 6,000 plus, so it's right about a little over 9,000. I'd say 9,684 maybe, pretty close. So we'll go ahead and put the second bag here, and then we'll save the third bag for these sections, these last 4 sections here. Now I'm not going to do down here on the pond, because I don't want these chemicals washing into the pond. I know you can, some say you can do it and just stay 50 feet away from the water line. I plan to do all organic on these areas. Try not to use any chemicals. So let's get started. Okay, we've made ourselves around to the back. Let me swing around this way. What we're going to do is we're going to set the edge guard on. Try and keep it, off the paver walkway, and definitely away from the pool. We don't want any of that getting in the pool. And then we'll come back and we'll blow everything back out into the yard, on the walkway, and the pool area. Okay, finished the second bag. And look at there. We timed it perfect. I'll tell you what, those yard maps really come in handy, calculating your square footage. Now, when I did do the, the sidewalks, I had my edge guard on, and also remember to push this in because you don't want the full application rate to dump alongside the fence there. It basically cuts it in half because you're really only doing half there. So I'll make sure I push it in, and I had this drop, so I make sure I push it back up, and when I get ready to do the center part, I pulled it back out. That way we have full coverage all the way around. Now let's go get started on the third bag. Okay, we're down to our final bag. Have our calculator. Now you notice I did make a terrible mistake. I grabbed my phone with all the chemicals on my hand, was using my phone. So when I get done, I will remove my gloves, get some alcohol wipes, and thoroughly clean my phone. But we'll continue since it's all already messy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do C, right here, 1683, plus, let's see, G, 4800, plus H, plus, and you see we're getting close to 9,000, plus I, which is 1210. Voila, 8,803 square feet for this last bag. So that should cover this small strip on the driveway, G, H, and I sections. All right, let's get started. Just kind of give you a visual real quick of what I'm going to do on this last step. Is this entire strip down the side of the driveway. I did have a little sod laid last July. This whole area here, as you can see, I'm about to start on put a paver walkway in. It'll go down, level out, and connect to the swimming pool. Not sure what I'm gonna do about this. Contractors put my propane tank about 1.5 feet too low before all the grading was done. So I may dig it up, raise it up, we'll see. But yeah, and then the rest of it goes around the back of the pool. There's a section, 2 sections behind the pool. Well, let's get started. Okay, just finished up our third and final bag. Before I let you go, just a couple of notes. You see how dirty this spreader is? Stuff everywhere. Always wash down your equipment. Always. And also, if it's on the spreader like that, it's on your pants and shoes like that. Whew, I wore the wrong shoes. I should have wore long sleeves, but immediately take your clothes off, go throw them in the washing machine, jump in the shower, get cleaned up after you clean your spreader. Appreciate it, guys. Have fun in the yard. Look at this. Day after we put down our pre-emergent, Andersons with dimension in it. It's been raining like this for several hours. Slow, steady rain. Perfect, just what you want. Thumbs up.